Hi guys, welcome back to Recarving Nature. I've got fed up tripping over cables and losing all my tools in bits of, well, sawdust on benches and that, so I built a mobile unit that it only wants one extension leading because I use majority electric tools, but it runs onto a plug under there for little bits and bobs for chargers and stuff. I've changed all my cables into the strimmer couplers type things and just arranged everything on one rack that I can pull out, move where I want. All tools are accessible, they're all sorted in order, bits and bobs at a time, just everything where I can get to them, because things get lost on floor, they get swept up, lose everything, even on side, just all my spanners and tools. Just one power cable to supply all tools, just swap them over. On bottom I've got my petrol stuff and varnishes and everything like that. There's a couple of drawers with accessories in, sharpening stuff, sprayer, and my little maker's marks. Another drawer just with bits and bobs and gizmos in that. I've done it so I've got all my sanding stuff sorted, ladders, spare bars on back, saws, dowels. So yeah, if you're fed up of finding all your tools, I've made all this out of scrap wood. There's a board on top that'll I can just pin any pictures on that I'm working to as well, and that folds down so I can still get it back in garage when I'm outside, and it'll also fit in my van. I'll make sure everything's sort of strapped down for when I start doing that, but yeah, all out of scrap wood, and it's just easier to have everything out my way where I can move it if it's sort of clogging me up and getting covered in dust and everything. So yeah, I thought a lot of people might like to see that. Catch you later.